accounting for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana, eastern Carroll County, Kenton County, southern Campbell County, southern Boone County, Gallatin County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Madison, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. The storm has a history of large hail and funnel clouds. Other severe thunderstorms with damaging wind gusts will move southeast and merge with the storm, increasing the potential for wind damage. Hazard: 70 miles an hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Covington, Florence, Independence, Erlanger, Alexandria, Ellesmere, Carrollton, Walton, Rising Sun, Claryville, Oak Brook, Union, Crittenden, Vevey, Warsaw, Ryland Heights, Fairview, Ghent, Patriot, and Prestonville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile marker 66 and 77. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 167 and 180.